Well, let's just take a look at this here. We just poured 320 feet of 8-inch grade beam. It's 2 feet high, 8 inches thick. In the middle of winter, could be minus 30 degrees Celsius outside. We're still going to pour some concrete. We have no power here in the parking lot, so you can see our generator running full out for 3-4 days straight, just to give us power so we can run our little boiler here. We got 3 100-gallon, 100-pound tanks of propane underneath this tarp here. We swapped them out every 2 days to keep our heat lines going here. Got a little boiler. We've got some glycol in there. We got our propane in there. Boiler inside this little unit here. Here's our heat lines going out. They're staying nice and warm. You circle out and then go all the way under that tarp over there, and they go inside the concrete. We put them inside before the concrete's poured, one on the bottom, one on the top, and we got 4 different loops going inside the concrete. You pour the concrete and turn the heat on. Well, here you can see the grade beam before we closed it up. You can see the rubber hose, 1/2-inch rubber hose we run on the bottom. Just on the top of the rebar, tie it with some tie wire every 2 feet, and then we run the upper line just on the underside of the rebar and tie that roughly every 16 inches to keep it in place. Finish running the lines, button it all up, turn the heat on, let it warm everything up, pour your concrete. You see the lines going under the forms in. There's our concrete. You can feel it toasty warm. Could be minus 30 outside, minus 40, but the concrete's getting cured quite nicely. And that's how you do it in Canada here. Construction in cold weather.